Welcome to the exfoliation lesson using Skin Moderne. When choosing Skin Moderne, it's important to know that from our inception, we have perpetually strived to advance our knowledge and abilities by persistently seeking new scientific data, ideas, technologies, with the sole purpose of creating clean, innovative, biocompatible, bioactive, and highly efficacious skincare products. We look to create and seek out the most modern, innovative, technologically advanced bioactive ingredients and delivery technologies attainable, and then clinically test them for safety, efficacy, and skin compatibility. Our ingredients are biocompatible. We ensure that every molecule in every ingredient is recognizable, compatible, and utilizable by our bodies, and that none of them are potentially harmful, causing irritation, inflammation, or cellular toxicity. One main point of difference with the elemental serums is that every formula contains both low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Every formula in the elementals range is also naturally preserved with microsilver and methylsulfomethane. These natural actives and biocompatible ingredients allow these serums to be used in a multitude of treatments, including with treatments like nanofusion, ultrafusion, and even medical microneedling. Low molecular weight hyaluronic acid helps to significantly increase skin hydration and also level deep within the epidermis and dermis. This deep penetration helps to decrease deep wrinkles, rejuvenating the skin's elasticity. The high weight molecular hyaluronic acid forms a three-dimensional breathable layer on the surface of the skin that helps to prevent transepidermal water loss. It also helps to boost skin elasticity and improves texture and the overall barrier function by increasing that hydration. Microsilver is one of the natural preservatives that also has an anti inflammatory and antimicrobial property. Methylsulfomethane is a natural form of organic sulfur found in all living organisms. This is one of our natural preservatives for the formulas, but also helps to support collagen production, promote circulation, and decrease inflammation in the skin. It's important to remember that every single formula in the brand utilizes this blend of four key ingredients, except for the Cleanse and Purify Cleanser and the Moisture Infusion Moisturizer in the professional range. Skin Moderne provides a full professional range of products for your treatment room. There is a professional cleanser and a professional moisturizer that is beneficial for all skin types. There are two professional exfoliating formulas, which we're going to review specifically today. There are also 8 condition-specific serums that can be used in all of your facial protocols to address your client's skin concerns. The Cleanse and Purify Gel is a sulfate-free cleanser without harsh chemically derived ingredients, only mild, natural plant-based cleansers. It is gentle yet purifying and leaves the skin feeling clean. Key active ingredients for efficacy include ethyl ascorbic acid, cactus pear extract, and 1% salicylic acid to help gently degrease the surface of the skin. The Perfecting Serum is one of two professional exfoliating formulas in the Skin Moderne range. Unique blend of alpha and beta hydroxy acids, niacinamide, red clover flower extract, and licorice root extract. This blend of ingredients helps to deliver excellent exfoliation, cell rejuvenation, skin brightening, and antimicrobial properties. It contains a 10% blend of mandelic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid. The pH of this formulation is at 5, so it is closer to the natural pH range of the skin, not forcing any excess shedding or intense inflammation. The perfecting serum can be applied with a fan brush or a gauze and massaged into the skin to help degrease before moving on to any other forms of exfoliation as well. The Renew serum contains a unique blend of alpha and polyhydroxy acids that deliver intelligent peeling properties, cell renewal, skin brightening, pore refinement, and antioxidant benefits, as well as acting as a chelator, humectant, and skin protectant. Key actives for efficacy include 20% mandelic acid and gluconolactone. The pH of this formulation is at 3.5, also making it a superficial exfoliator without the opportunity to create any excess downtime in the skin. When choosing to work with either Perfecting or Renew serum, you're going to apply a thin layer with a fan brush or gauze to the skin thoroughly after cleansing. Leave the solution to process on the skin for at least 10 minutes. You can remove any serum residue with cool, damp sponges or cottons. Cool water is going to help to neutralize any additional exfoliation activity. You can then continue with the remaining facial protocol. Perfecting serum and Renew serum can be layered safely after physical exfoliation treatments such as microdermabrasion or dermaplaning. This will help to further exfoliate and smooth surface texture of the skin. For a more intensive product focused treatment, the oxygenating enzyme mask can be layered directly on top of the Renew or Perfecting serum for a more intensive exfoliation and firming effect. The oxygenating enzyme mask is a two-part mask of powder and activator, which is blended together to create a custom formulation. It is 100% vegan. It's plant-based proteins, amino acids, enzymes, and other phytonutrients that help to tighten, boost oxygenation, promote skin and blood vessel vascularity, brighten, improve hydration, and protect against environmental stress, all while helping to enhance the skin's homeostasis. In the liquid activator, there is a pineapple and pomegranate fruit extract, along with pumpkin fruit fermate and radish fruit ferment filtrate. Gluconolactone is a polyhydroxy acid that also is going to help continue the gentle exfoliation. You'll find this ingredient in both the activator and the powder. In the powder, there are additional exfoliating ingredients such as bromelain and papain. Kale and clay will help to dry as the mask settles, making the skin feel nice and taut and firm. The client is encouraged not to move their face while this mask is setting. Niacinamide and turmeric root powder also help to encourage healthy oxygenated blood flow to the skin, and you will see this circulation once you begin to remove it. It's important to mix 1 part powder with 2 parts activator to get the best consistency. You should be able to brush a thin layer all over the face and neck, but be sure to avoid the lash line and the lips. The mask will dry in 10 minutes when applied with the proper consistency. At the end of the treatment, wrap the face in a warm towel treatment to soften the mask before removing. You will see the increased circulation everywhere that the mask was applied. Follow with the Healing and Soothing Sheet Mask or the Snail Mucin and Collagen Sheet Mask and the Skin Moderne Ice Roller for the best hydrating and firming results. In the professional range, Moisture Infusion is the key professional moisturizer that can be applied to all skin types. This formula includes rich moisturizers such as shea butter and grapeseed, macadamia seed, black mint, and rosehip seed oils. Moisture infusion gives the skin an immediate boost of moisture, leaving it feeling hydrated, healthy, and silky smooth, as well as protected from environmental aggressors. Haematococcus pluvialis extract is a type of algae rich antioxidant compound known as astaxanthin. Astaxanthin helps to reduce oxidative stress and its resulting damage in skin, thereby offsetting unwanted effects of exposure to the sun or pollutants. Spirulina maxima extract and lecithin also provide antioxidant and hydrating properties. The Elemental's retail range share common formulation with the professional range, but the professional range includes a higher percentage of ingredients to give the treatment professional a stronger opportunity to provide a thorough treatment in the clinic. The Elemental's range of serum is designed to be used with modalities such as nanofusion or fusion, dermaplaning, microdermabrasion, or other non-invasive modalities. May also be used as a complete multi-step treatment or facial. One example of retail and professional correlation would be the AHA-BHA serum. Clients can use the AHA serum at night to gently exfoliate the skin. The serum can be safely applied 2 to 3 times a week and increase the benefits of other serums. Unlike the perfecting serum, the AHA-BHA serum contains a 5% blend of lactic and mandelic acid and salicylic acid, while the perfecting serum contains the 10% blend. Skin Moderne is dedicated to fostering a culture of innovation for skin wellness. If you are a licensed beauty professional, you can create your own wholesale account and learn more at www.smp.com.